Sir David Davis.
Mr. Speaker, the Secretary of State's allegations about the Legacy Act rest on a fiction that the Labour Party government had not already handed out amnesties to all those terrorist killers. And there are two facts that need to be put in front of the House. One is, from the Good Friday Agreement, it put in place mechanisms to provide for an accelerated programme for the release of prisoners convicted for scheduled offences. That's one half of the amnesty. The other half are the comfort letters. And the right place to look on that is the judge's ruling in the Downey case, which shot down any future prosecutions, in which he said there is a public interest in, let me read it carefully, holding officials of the state to promises they have made in full understanding of what is involved in the bargain. Hence, I've concluded this is one of those rare cases in which the particular circumstances it offends the court's sense of justice and propriety to be asked to try the defendant. In other words, it's an amnesty, whether the government likes it or not.
Well, on the first issue, the right honourable gentleman raises anyone who was serving a sentence for a trouble-related offence. Part of the Good Friday Agreement was that they were released after 2 years. The people of Northern Ireland voted for that by about 70%. It was part of the agreement. On the second point he raises, there were specific issues in that case of Mr Downey, because he had been given a letter that said he wasn't wanted when in fact he was, and that is why that prosecution wasn't able to proceed. But his point is undermined by the fact that Mr Downey, and this is a matter of public record, Mr Speaker, is currently facing prosecution for 2 counts of murder in 1972. It therefore cannot be that any letter he received gave him an amnesty.
Chair of the Select Committee, Tony